Unboxing Bosch Easy Aquatic 100 High Pressure Washer 1100 watts Power Cleaner Sprayer Heavy Duty. Specifications: pressure 100 bars, flow rate 300 liter per hour. Power 1100 watts, high pressure foam. Yes, 350 milliliters, self-priming. Yes. Nozzle 20/80th degree variable fan, 360 gun. Yes. Weight 3.8 kilogram. Features: clean hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. With 360-degree rotating nozzle, ideal for cleaning lighter items as freehand can hold. Single-handed operation giving a free hand to assist. Quick and easy, ideal for removing lighter dirt on aircon. Powerful motor for higher performance. Best nozzle performance due to high-quality metal pump. Lightweight for easy and convenient handling. Additional accessories for a better design. Easy, quick and thorough. Cleaning. Warranty for Bosch. Contractor's Choice Cock 3 months. Aquatic Series 6 months. Heavy Duty Blue Series 1 year.
Alam mo, kung ako sa'yo, binibili ko na to. Hindi mo kailangan. Huwag mo isipin na hindi mo kailangan. Kailangan mo yan. Kakailanganin mo yan. Saan kailan ka bibili? Kapag kailangan mo na. I-deliver pa yon 3 days. Di ang tagal. Darating, hindi mo na kailangan. Kung ino-order mo na ngayon, di naandyan na yan kapag kailangan mo na, diba? Ano ba? Mag-isip ka nga. Click mo na yung yellow basket.